Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Anuj and this video series we are going to learn about Playwright with JavaScript. So this is not just a basic tutorial series. Here we will learn everything about Playwright. We'll also start from very basic like absolute fundamental and gradually move towards building a reliable, scalable and industry ready Playwright automation framework. So we will cover everything like UI automation, API testing, test architecture, what are the best practices, how does reporting format of Playwright looks like, CI/CD integration, and also will at last we will also learn how to deal with the interview level concepts, like real world interview level concepts. Okay, so if you want to learn Playwright in the right way and not just write the scripts, but designing a robust framework, then this series is just for you. So let's get started. So what is Playwright? Playwright is an open source automation framework for testing modern web applications. So just for your information, it's developed by Microsoft, and this is the official website, that is playwright.dev. Okay, so this question is arising in our mind, like why Playwright? Why not other tool? So as of now, why this Playwright is booming in the market? So the first reason is it's giving reliable end-to-end testing with auto-wait capabilities. So what is the exact meaning of this auto-wait capabilities? So if you go to the official website, so this is the official website, and if you go to the auto-wait mechanism, so if you can see, so these are the different operations that Playwright is giving us. Okay, to perform different operations, like you can see check, click, double click, checked, tap, uncheck. So if you can see, so the playwright will perform these operations only is visible, stable, it receives all events, enabled and editable. So after having this much of operations in the DOM, then only you'll able to perform the operations. So this feature was not there in other legacy tool. So this is the beauty of automate mechanism. So the operation will wait till that element is properly visible, stable, and receives events is enabled. So after everything, it will perform the operations. What is the operation? Click, double click, check, tap, uncheck. So this is the operations. So that is the meaning of the sentence. It's reliable for end-to-end testing with automate capabilities. And then next is, what is cross-browser compatibility? So this Playwright supports all the modern web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, WebKit, Edge, Opera, Safari, everything it supports. And it's multi-platform support. That means you can install Playwright in Windows, macOS, Linux, and also some mobile emulation facility is also there that will also learn. So if you want to execute your test case on iPhone 15, that mobile emulator is also available. We'll also learn everything about in the further videos. Okay, and multilingual flexibility, so that is also there in Selenium. That's a legacy tool, and it's likewise Selenium, it supports JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, Python, ch.net. Okay, so everything it supports. Okay, then the next is tracing and debugging capability. So, this Playwright does have a beautiful concept called tracing and debugging. So, it will be easy for a QA to do the failure analysis. So, what is that exactly this tracing meaning? So, we'll go to see Playwright Trace Viewer. So, how you can open this, that we'll learn in the further videos. You can see if a test case will fail, at which second it got failed, and like during the operation, what are the logs, what are the like network calls happened, and what are the console, how the error, what is the error, and what are the attachments that you have to see. Everything it will show you as part of the tracing capabilities, tracing and debugging capabilities. Okay, after that, automatic screenshot and videos recording. You don't need to give much effort to provide this screenshot and videos in Playwright. You just need to write couple of words to do that. That's damn cool, right? And also it's giving comprehensive logging that I shown you, right? Like by using this tracing, it's giving a lot of logging with the capabilities which will reduce our time as a QA to do the failure analysis, which always simplifies the issue identification, right? And also we can find the root cause of the problem and we'll have a healthier CI/CD life cycle. Okay. After that, network interception. So you can mocking, stubbing the APIs. That facility is also very, very cool in Playwright. That will also learn, and browser context management. So you can save and reuse the browser state. So suppose you have a 10 test cases, and you can save all the browser states like cookies and authentication in, or like by credential you can save somewhere, so that you don't need to re-execute that specific login scenario each and every test cases, so that you can directly jump to the dashboard page by skipping the login module. So which will reduce the execution time, and it will also you can like the execution speed is also very fast, and you can get your result very fast. Okay. And you can also reduce your setup overhead. Okay. After that, what is CodeGen tool? So that is the most wonderful tool that Playwright is giving. CodeGen stands for code generator. So you can record user action. So how you can do that? I'll give just a glimpse of that. You can, if you can see, npx playwright CodeGen https google.com. So what exactly it will do? It will open a code gen tool along with the browser in which google.com is there, and here you can search for something like uh, suppose you can search for Virat Kohli, and you can search for that, and everything is, oh, it's not showing over here. Suppose you are doing some action, and parallel you can see all the details, like all the scripts are getting generated in the code gen tool. So that is how cool is that, right? So these are the beautiful, like these are the like one of the beautiful things that we have in Playwright. Okay. What else? Like saves obviously, if a particular tool is there and it's auto generating a script, and obviously it will save your time, right? And also it provides a strong starting point for your customization, although it's not recommended. So you have to know the tool, you have to know all the concepts, then only you'll be able to use that code gen tool. But yeah, this is the feature that they are giving. So in this series, what in this complete series, what exactly we will learn? So we will learn, like you can see all this concept that we will learn as part of this video and along with this. Okay, so don't go with this. We will learn everything as part of this complete series. Okay, and today, like we'll stop over here, and from the next video, we will learn how to set up Playwright and what all things we can do after installing the Playwright, everything we learn. So, till then, goodbye. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.